If man too waka na
Who na dey blame? Not be the man family. Who na dey blame? Not the man family. Where he fold hand.
If man too dey follow.
Told yourself for there.
If man too dey follow mommy Joyous, you can't go follow the one go put her for trouble.
Only waiting I take blame road. I say road that they insult me. Now let them pay me. The man deserve down. You know deserve
yes, now good for the also bear when man where they park for there now. Never so she talk. He said the man mumu. I am more continue.
Mo wa je ni me gwa leji. O la be ni me gwa leji.
Bagi no fie kindo da funkina.
Ja.
Bagi no die andere Familie kaputt machen. Wenn es nicht look.
What he talk?
He said it be like say the woman get 4 to 5 children, but he won't kaput other people's family.
Thank you. What am I fighting for?
Yeah.
You should leave my husband alone. Leave people marriage alone. Leave people marriage alone. Even a Angola person don't see they tell you. If not that one your witch or your mama confess you for now you can't do it shall never be well with your mama. 4 to 5 children. You are married. You have children. You as soon as you never reach 30 years though. I dey imagine. To fear quoi. Aru ne. If Naisha people all this proof they come outside, therefore don't summon you for elderly meet where you go to like that. You know now. Aya. That's a nicht gut for Clara. Just for this thing.
Eine Tag finde eine richtige Person, die schlägt, die braucht Schläger.
What do you talk?
She never complete her statement. Or she say do my one kaput another person in family. She never complete her statement. Very bad.
Bitch on the end.
Really? Wait. Yes, leave her.
Maar dat is een bitch on the end.
Really? The custom. Varun, this is Frahima. How time get slap me in a verheiratet man. Varun.
No, die verheiratet man. Arme Kinder. Wenn ich weg nach Afrika, das ist schon vorbei. Das ist tot oder Schlag.
Oh, what do you talk? I ask you a question.
That place, you ask a question, but I don't really understand that place. So I don't really understand that place.
They are carrying back. He said in Africa.
I'm not saying let him go to Africa.
I know that he come. If the man go to Africa.
Okay.
No, die verheiratet man. Arme Kinder. Wenn ich weg nach Afrika, das ist schon vorbei. Das ist tot oder Schlag.
Oh, if they talk, say if na Africa, the man go something go buy or he go.
He go don't spy or he go don't.
The abomination for don't catch him. Now what did you mean? Yeah.
He say poor children.
Okay, if I'm married, if I see her in Africa, okay. If you can speak Dutch, I go speak her. I know they speak, they manage, no verse.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, die Kinder sind in die Schule, die in der Nähe von meinem Haus. Ich sehe immer seine Kinder. Wieso macht das? Wenn ich schlechte Person oder böse.
What do you talk?
He said the children school, they're close to our house. They always see the children. The Clara children.
Okay.
They always see.
Mama, you just strutter.
In the verse.
Mama, you just strutter. If I say talk, you quit on before. If I pause and I go, they carry me go back. Okay, no verse.
Oder böse. Ich nehme deine Kinder ist immer. Manchmal auch mit Idioten, die man in der Auto. Und die andere auch. Die Briten auch. Das ist auch eine Teufel.
Okay. What do you talk?
He said they see the children with the papa every time. He said sometimes they see the idiots. They call the man idiot. He said at times they see the idiots inside car. All of them.
So now so Christian life take about so.
Sorrow.
Now you they tell say people marriage. Now me they do this one to my husband. Come. I not tell you say we perfect too. No, now they do this one. I tell you, say my marriage perfect, no perfect. We dey gather am together to make am perfect. And you never hear say my husband complain, say, now so your wife they sleep around, they come meet am. Say, your wife sleep, imagine the embarrassment. They say the man cry. He paid the man beat and call police for the man.
So now it's big shame. Oh. This time we're not supposed to be woman. I nice tell you.
No worry, man, come you are to may we listen.
That's how eine Frau aus Nigeria. Der hat keinen Mann. Der hat keinen Mann, nur ein Kind, die so verheiratet werden.
But warum hat eine Mann so? Warum immer hat geschlafen mit anderer Frau Mann?
Keine Ahnung. Aber verlass nicht deinen Mann, rede mit deinem Mann. Ja?
Ja.
Rede mit deinem Mann, setz dich, sag.
It's too long, yeah, talk. Me no. Fast forward.
He say, it be like say, he get another person where the Clara, they track him man or so. So she can't advise you, say, I beg, say, may you not leave your own man or because of that one who say the Clara.
He still they track another person.
He said they track another person too.
Don't be sharing all the food now.
This one, girlfriend where they cheat on another. I want to talk about girlfriend where married man get girlfriend. The girlfriend they cheat on the married man. Another man cause they cheat on. I don't know the thing. I can't comprehend it.
That be the thing. Una go still listen to the voice record when the friend talk say.
Wait, the HIV they share. What's not the understand here?
Let's be this.
My sister, Omishila, shebi this girl talk say they carry and go house, go do marriage.
Now they talk and say we they not carry go as our marriage not be.
Hey.
Wow.
Not be Nigerian person.
You are cheating on your man friend upon another man friend. I
tell now we go do marriage. You not spend 2 days for Bini. I'm not sure say they use and do any well. I'm not sure. Now 3 from his sister all true.
Who want to people will not have demand and they want to do you say Emiwa. Those not get Emiwa, now the man just left like that.
I say not be Binima, mama. No, they talk say na Binima again. Not be Binima.
We are more continue your life, Toro. Oh yeah.
Das ist nicht Frau für dich. Die schläft mit jeder.
Ja.
Die schläft mit jeder. Der macht so viel TikTok oder Instagram.
I know say I mute, I dey record. Wait till he talk. I dey on live when she call me. Wait till she talk again. Who say me I bring pretty up?
He talk about Instagram.
She said the husband and wife, he said that they do too much TikTok and Instagram.
Okay.
Say the woman.
No, let they talk a bit. Yeah.
Die man respektiert solche Leute.
Ja.
Solche Frau.
Now my daughter give me orange. Wait till she talk. I better tell me I bring water.
He said the woman said she dey sleep around though. But they do too many TikTok, too many Instagram and so and so.
Don't take all your food. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
No, you're not going to keep the total for one place. Christian, my beg more where. You do your end last. That's why you can't take end. The name where you come in now that one can't be here for us.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, my sister.
Who be the blishy where they saga for that side? I call blishy. He hang your picture, hang Mama Twins picture. I say blishy man, you don't know the matter. You jump now you block me.
No, go buy video me because you know me get power. Because me and our water they do myself.
I tell you, better blishy. Now don't blishy clean the journal.
I am more continue before we start. Don't worry. More fair play this part finish before we start.
Listen to this one where we did for years. Not be now we did.
That one now Kobo. He went a rego killer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, mama, they talk a beg. I want me to me. Yeah. Das ist scheiße. In Deutschland.
Ja.
In Afrika, die Mutter von dieser Frau mag so mit der Vater auch. Die Frau Mutter in Afrika ist so machen. Immer hat er geschlafen mit einem Mann, mit Frau. Das ist Katastrophe. I not try.
Das ist die Problem.
Eva,
Aber bitte nicht. Ich verlasse nicht deinen Mann. Die wird
That's
nur
why
an dich.
not be your papa language.
Aber nein.
Ja.
Nimm das Mann. Verzeih non Mann.
If they talk about my husband,
he said may you not leave your man, oh.
that's why they always tell me, say, no, if you dey fuck your husband, you know. And then I tell that girl that day, go settle with your husband. He said, may you not leave. Now, so he just first tell me the first time. He said, may you not leave your husband for her. She no care, say she did there, she go dey fuck around. Imagine.
You know why she dey tell na that one? Because if he don't use the man finish, she'll go throw away the man for one side.
Exactly.
But they regret because in there with one Adamu Torobia for inside house. So make una not leave una husband for anybody, any husband stature.
No agree.
Except say the man not
The
get.
man don't tire you. Except the man don't tire you, you don't do.
But Mommy Joyous, your dog share hello.
I believe me. Are you a graduate of Dutch school? Eh? No let me use French, Miss Dutch. I dey pakara. But I hear more than speaking, and I write more than speaking. I am more continue.
Dann Kontakt mehr mit dieser Frau, auch mit Mann nichts. Aber die Mann, ich weiß, hast du die Mann von Clara gesagt?
Come on, up this thing. Yeah. If they ask questions, isn't it?
He said is the man from one place. I don't know. She not complete the place.
Okay, me I play. Yeah.
Und was hat die Mann von Clara gesagt?
No, the Frau Iman hat sie hat geschlafen mit einer Frau Mann, and yet the Frau and the man get what is they ask my daughter. the Frau and the man get trend. Clara mag so mit einer Frau. Yet the Frau and the man get trend. Keine Antwort and Clara sagt mit dem Mann, keine Sprache mit den Kindern alles. Das ist scheiße. Immer Clara mag so mit viel Afrikanisch in Deutschland. I try.
Aber das ist nicht gut.
The woman say no good. Yeah.
He said it's not good.
Das ist nicht gut, das sind nicht gute Leute.
It's okay, kein Problem. Ich bin so not ein. It don't finish. No, not gonna let me finish. This is A1 Dutch, not be A1 though. My sister, if I dey school like this, now
clash Kali, my
hey, when I want to. Hey, when I want to, now they dey my head though. No bother.
Tell her.
Now each Dutch I dey speak. Even when I dey my behind.
Even the dog.
Thank you, my sister.
Get the country.
Mama, is that finish, Abi?
Yes. So maybe we analyze.
Okay,
Thank
now
you.
bye.
Okay, thank you, Mama. You see how they speak and we both names. You never see anything. It don't finish. Now so I go there my behind course that time. I go there see people they say how much is this?
Geraldine will not dey your mind. You dey tell Geraldine say make he come tell you what to talk.
Sometimes so last more the pakara. So far we know money. We know what be good money. Sometimes my letter I'll translate and read. I write and read good in English. You were the person speaking. You try. Du musst dich nur verbasen. Du musst dich nur verbasen. Was ist das? Okay. I love you guys. John and Yera from the Horsey Smarts. Even as we dey talk now, roaders still they do what they do. So you understand? So that the woman say you still they sleep with another person for her on earth. So now wait, he say wait till I can't talk. Now lie. Or yeah, may we play the next part of the friend. Hi, life story taste that. Okay, my people, thank you very much. So anybody where they talk, tell us say me buy video mic. That boy they learn work. He they learn work, na my student. Don't worry. He's our student. Now we may well give my body see finish. If they do say I will saga the person, not be me. If you don't speak, you will not learn. Now so, all right. Where you send and put. I love you guys. Thank you. May we go. Now so e reach. We know the fight person, don't fight us. It no good. Oh yeah.
Because that time for bring this that time, the hustle for ask her to bring this that time. Because madam we carry her on a flight. Now he wrote that follow who do picking. He carried the muguma, he put her for prison. We don't want to.
It shall never be well with Rhoda Ekbudu. Who do you better when you test it to talk where HIV they take the fuck people husband? You go put them for prison. It shall never be well with you, Rhoda Ekbudu.
Okay, and so they travel, they sleep up and down, they fuck different black boy they go. That innocent man, juju now use for papa twins. That papa twins.
The person said the abortion one. I'll ask him that one. I'll record that tomorrow. No worry. I forget to ask him. You the yes so?
Sleep up and down, they fuck different black boy they go. That innocent man, juju now use for papa twins. That papa twins.
Unayera, they said na juju you use. Now the fourth person where they tell me say na juju you. Ah, friends. The last guy where he called me about her husband, he said, oh, that can't tell and say, may go close the man mouth. They go ask her, why you use on me? He say, whether I no get person where they work out for Nigeria. May go use the juju for your husband. The person talker. You there, yes, so I don't know if you did record. Roll that tell the friend may go tie your husband mouth. These are my friends where they always call me more than 4. They go say, he tied the man. He tied the man. He tied the man. If really you not tie the man where mumu like that, how man go sit down? 3 children go throw away them like Ojiri's koto. You go sit down, they beat, they saga them. When you stop and for you, don't take. He never take.
I heard this thing when I record and I go tell the man family say Chris and Doc bye.
When my people, there's everyone has to record this part. If friends say they use Ojuju, may you, I'll send and give you, may you send, give themselves. That's how it is. Tell you one calls my people. You don't know say we get access to them fast.
Then they talk that one. You know say you not get chance there. She know
where they come. You never know where to buy. All right.
It's now my girlfriend for the friend papa twins. Now juju now use for that papa twins. Not be clear how what you abandon those infected all those.
Not be today. There's no person boyfriend though. Even the Jama girlfriend. He constantly goes snatch for a friend. Ah, your toto is cost. No, that forever. This person where you want joy, I hope say no problem. Oh yeah.
Those children we don't fight born before. Not be clear how see dead so road that don't frustrate.
Oh.
Now different black boy. Now they fuck up on that for that gym way. Not the name of it.
Another confirmation.
She dey share HIV. Mommy, are you just she dey share sickness.
Talk about HIV. The woman say why they share.
Yeah, this can never be normal.
I get you the man in life,
who they laugh? Where they happen?
And affection. The husband win.
Your job person they zoe yourself. It not really make sense. Now one na William's wife oh. Now you know be William's wife. I get one of her video when she not tell wear anything. Hey, me myself the week for waiting at the year.
I just tired.
My WhatsApp number, me una put am, me una send and call.
Now wow.
And if the family people don't see all this one, make them put am in order. Nothing else.
Mommy Sheila, this thing not be ordinary. She get what she dey share really.
People can start by words. Even they swear with the children. Say if they share who jagbe. Say if no, why they share and give people husband and men?
We the fit now say Ikpekus not the clothes. She dey share something. This cannot be ordinary. No, it cannot be ordinary.
Mama went Nigeria still.
And the noise
mama inherited a shower.
This something just irritate me. Just my mind just buoy me like. What it be this kind of person? What it be this? What it be this?
Now you don't say this Papa Joyous with a small nyash. Nyash show a clap like slippers. Hey, okay. No, now say that now. WhatsApp is there. Why she go marry old man? That is the question. And if you come and the pet and say the man is the now they say they depressed for inside house. They say they depressed. You know why you say 6 months the man not the near. Hey, God that beg. Me myself, they shall never see this kind of thing for my life before. Person go dey husband house, he go dey sleep around.
After many
Why?
years for travel, after many years, I don't stand for my land, and I can't see why you
Una
don't rub my name for
say, boy, you still talk and use make that
pick.
pikin come. If you no wan born the girl, the pikin no gree come on. Who join my live show so?
The Baba is come from the pit of hell. Be a hand. That's what you did there.
Now so if they go juju, if they tell friend say make he go do juju, hey, you can lie. Okay. Oh.
Declare her
No,
what you are about.
no,
Wait, mama. If I dey play, no dey. You
No
wait.
declare her.
If he pass again, it go be like stress. Oh yeah. Wait now. If I just talk, una fit talk. I can't start again. I'll call the tell and say I want start. Make that they hear every words. If we do the talk, we know they hear them.
okay.
Thank you, mama.
Not declare her what you abandon those children, all those children we don't fight born before. Not declare her, see dead so rather don't frustrate.
Wait till I tell now. Let's continue. God I beg you. To fear quoi? They husband house they sleep at night. If I just come out, say I come out, I'll do what I want to. No be when I dey inside.
Now different blab now they fuck up and that for that journey way the other name of it. They're paying bride price. Not before now mama na so mama bioko, mama na 4 women, now mama 4 men, now mama born for.
I feel hear this thing with style. I feel hear and say mama not born for one only papa. When she go rent, go give him mama for Bini, born for person. You know hear her now. I feel you start, so I no confirm my friend say na 4 men mama born for. Now you the cause you go mother. It shall never be well with you. No, na the year. Who the cause you now? If mama no born for 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place. Now you they talk to people. Waiting for your mama body. I mean, I know about your mama story dirty. You even use your mouth tell me say your mama they fuck your old boy. You told me. I still they repeat her.
Your love means so much.
Hello?
The man is too old for her. Who send her? Yeah. Who send her? No be the problem, so. The man hold on, the man no hold on. Nothing can concern anybody now. What it concern my children? Oh, I just concern me as a day. I don't weak as a day. Did I say this kind of people again for life? You Christian who you end their life you were. After you don't pass water, I say you can't end for abroad. You don't pass desert, can't pass water. I say you can't end. You can never live well. You can never become.
Mama, they say not be desert they pass. They say na flight they pass.
The man a desert.
Okay.
Leave pass corner. Now the woman be flight away. Can't they use it to the enter to give away. Give away, take away. No, you not take away. Take away. HIV distributor. HIV. No, na HIV. No be saying that to the scratcher. You don't know, say indoor contact.
You don't the share and be carry your
you about say this man now. You about say the idiot now don't know say indoor carry. You about say no. You know where come pay me party for all these things where they happen. The man family road affair, he felt blind their eyes before he entered the man. The man family not the year they watched for TikTok. Oh. They watch or they TikTok here. Una not the year what they happen to our brother. That's all na wicked for the family. So that you abandon the man like that because the man are not get papa, he not get mama. He not get sister.
Yeah, family now.
He only get 2 brothers. Finish. Eh? It's just that all of the dirty talk. If not me now, una go come out. All of now we get or go ahead, we get long mouth. Una come out, come they use me, they do practical. What do you have here? What do I go one year? Look at una life. Look at una shame. God, I thank you. So shall it be to the wicked people. You can never find peace. It's not go possible. You go from fry pan to fire. This is not the Genesis. Shebi they celebrate now say you.
You know, yes, they say the man they irritate her. They say the man they irritate her. They get talk am now. Now the last time for talk am. And this guy come Facebook, come they tell people say I use ojuju for my husband. Una know here when he give mumu na mumu say I use ojuju for my. Say as that they saga me reach My husband no gree leave me. Why no go leave me? So because your own no good, you go believe say young man wey marry me as I just rich, get body, everything wey woman get rich. He go come leave me. When he never catch me say I sleep with anybody. When I know they see any else they call. No be say you born for those else's where you they call.
Kai.
I never see this kind of thing before. Your mama born for 4 men, you they cause it go murder. My mama wey born children for 1 man. You open man, they share and give them made their post. Your mama they used to feed for house. They said to take the feed. My mama they sell raw rice for markets. If you want to talk of the bestseller, that time when we there as the helper, he and a friend for that village, they'll counter. No be now when we don't come on, where it's off in the sky, the one way fit. Your mama no fit say. Cook rice where your mama say used to say that cook rice. Toi, now we need to cure that man. The family need to deliver him. When you they talk about other people, now see why they pack my food there. This boy now where be Bobrisky of TikTok, he don't still fuck him. If na Benjo that boy dey, this girl don't go Benjo go do shopping. Don't give that boy Toto. He don't give her Toto. I swear. Now he make her, if they pack me for a platform, inside there go open Toto for them. So they use and do soapy. So they use on that to do soapy. Oh yeah, mona de.
Because the mama now, if I go for 1 month before for adoption, because the home is wife, home is.
Yeah, home is wife. Your mama fed born for home is. For adoption. What are me people? Oh yeah, oh yeah. If mama don't fed born before, because I can't tell her. You say your mama now, he gave 20-something grandchildren. How come your 2 brothers? You understand? How come your 2 brothers senior you well before they born you? He won't tell me, say mama can't born 2 children, they can't hold mama womb. If mama no come quick born, join them. I don't know, say those 2, now mama fed born now before he can't go meet his papa where get many wife. Wait till you see Mumuna, that one go sit down say they do motivation, and we never motivation itself. Una way no get legacy. That one a legitimate child in papa house, they not recognize her. Same you. You are an illegitimate child. Now let God know if they pay bride price for your mama. A shower mama.
Miss, wait, they are miss by wife. Now mama first daughter, I be that one. The mama yeah, that.
What is this?
Taste orange juice.
Orange juice, don't do for me again. Don't feel. Mona go like that. Juice. Wait. The man, wait till he talk just now. Now mama first daughter. No, they do. Your mama first daughter. Oh yeah, let's continue. We want to know your mama first daughter. Homies.
In the cry.
I'm dying in silence. Wait till they die you.
Don't put emoji of crying. They cry now.
Now, Joy, my life, baby, don't do orange juice. Give me. I don't know how many orange. Joy, don't spoil the orange now, please. It's okay, leave all of them. The one way go press, not go reach anything. Go do 5 orange today. One more weird this. No, now listen more here.
Before for adoption, because the home is wife, home is where their home is by wife. Now mama first daughter, I be that one. The mama.
This one, hello. Okay. So Obi's wife, now your mama first daughter. Now your mama first daughter, Roda Ekbudu. And you tell us, say now you be your mama first daughter. My people, man, I come hear story, oh. If I say I get this one, when I reach Nigeria, I'll go find that his sister. I forgot find her for homies. Homies now restaurants for Uromi. You dey hear so? Home is na restaurants for Uromi. This girl tell me say na be first daughter. It's okay, leave that juice now. Papa, it's okay.
I make this juice, carry and drink.
This is not making juice now. It's okay, I don't want again. Who is there? Me wanna go sleep. Beat
Hey, give me the cup.
Go.
Give me the cup.
Joy, leave there.
Give me the cup.
Make they play.
That one don't go they sleep around. That's where they husband don't they carry those small Yahoo boys. And the woman, your husband can't die now. He can't go check the husband grave. Cause make that one not feel make that one not feel go hammer. Because you know what he do. Now mama now you resemble not before to now mama now you resemble now your mama they do all those juju up and down. What they do? Are they advice and say respect yourself. Make you respect yourself. I know say this man now you go stay with for us and you know they happy for them. Because you and this man not been met. You never reach 30 years. Because that time you did like 24 or something like that. Where you go carry picking, go recount for this man neck. You and this man not been made. This man self, you know the day when they born your mama. If this man not senior, you maybe like 20 years. Papa choose not be small picking. Now old man. Forget that when person day Europe say, it's Nigeria. Papa twins day. Papa twins don't advance well because the person still day Europe now. Because you still wear trousers. All those you know, I'm road that not be made. It's no road that mama. At the total, I know the year. Now, Juju, now you use for mama to.
Wait till I tell now. Wait till I tell now. No time I say senior mama.
That woman not just get a problem. That man.
Okay. Una hear so. I not tell and I said the man senior mama. More than no verse. I fair go. I quick come out, quick finish because of these children.
Bonaya and mama they do all those juju up and down. What they do? Are they? If I go for 1 month before for another shan, because the home is wife, home is where their home is by wife. Now mama first daughter, I be that one. The mama like that one don't go they sleep around. Person with their husband, don't they carry those small Yahoo boys.
Wait till I tell now. Not be everything where I tell the Sagaran before they talk so. She use her man tell me say mama they sleep with her when she go Nigeria. If she they make up. If mama go they make up. Okay.
The woman, your husband can't die now. He can't go check the husband grave. Cause make that one.
Now me still tell this person. The grave where they turn and say I get. Una yera, I'll go down my page. May I go bring that video come. I take any papa grave. Una yera, this one I feel euro me people go. No, na they yeah.
That one not feel no make that one not feel go hammer. Because you know what he do.
Thank you.
Now mama now you resemble not before to now mama now you resemble now your mama they do all those juju up.
You dey hear her? I don't first show the grave before now. You know say her. Una don't weak. Una never see life. This is sorrow.
No,
Sorrow.
Joyous, I tell ya.
I think
So this girl get bad. He get bad background like this.
see the grave.
So you useless like
Yeah,
this.
papa grave be. Forest. I go bring the video how papa forest be. May you see her. I'll bring the video. You don't see her beg. Yeah. I even get that video. I don't know if na this title or na the title where they hack. Where I don't concentrate. I just let that title go. Now that title all you go there here. I put on the papa grave when they go see forest. Bush. Now they throw away the man. They can't go China.
Madam, what they do? Are they advice and say stay? Respect yourself. Make you respect yourself. I know say this man now you go stay with for us and you know they happy for them. Because you and
You dey hear her? Now me talk huh?
this man not been met. You never reach 30 years. Because that time you did like
Wait till na the year never reach waiting. 30 years. Sorrow. Okay. No.
24 or something like that. Where you go carry picking, go recount for this man neck. You and this man not be made. This man self, you know the day when they born your mama. If this man not senior, you maybe like 20 years. Papa choose not be small picking. Now old man. Forget that when person day Euro say, it's Nigeria. Papa twins day. Papa twins don't advance.
Abi make them show us video evidence join. You think say I come here complete? No hurry me. Me don't post all this thing for Facebook. Go on about a nation blog. Go Facebook. I'm a Born Nation blog. You go see them for there. That one on my page. I'm a Born Nation blog. One of my page. He did there.
Where because the person still there Europe now. Because you still wear trousers, all those. You know, I'm road and not be, but it's not road that mama. At the total, I know the year. Now, Juju now use for mama twin. That papa twin. So wait, I pardon mama twins that I treat. What did they invest me? That woman not just get a problem. That my ex-wife. Because now you collect person husband, now you go still come and they drag the woman by papa, the woman do this one, the woman by papa, the woman they collect they collect father share for the children head when you and the husband they ask. Leave one now you don't collect his first man, the second one you want to collect them for you, leave man. They don't leave
Una where they say
we the person
okay, bringing a mumu three different. Don't worry if you still do unto that one. He go come tell me what he happen. God go punish any person where come again after I finish with her. Come they tell me what she do. As I they talk now, you feel saying a lie. If he do unto you, you come meet me. I go swear good for you that they go saga you for TikTok. They fool yourself now. All these people where come office and now they report. When they talk about that time, share that they laugh. The same way you go reach your tongue. If you reach your body, you can't say that mommy job be your this thing where won't help you. It shall never be where that time with you. I go big, I go beat you, join and beat you. Not try am. You dey hear now from many people now. No carry am, no come meet me. I know they come fight for person for when this one on my fight too. Be say this guy say I no get peace. Now make I come for her. You get? No come here, come they tell me say he do me this. I no hear that. I no try. If you want fight on your platform, I dey want una now. As I dey tell una what this guy they do, una say, oh, you want bring her down. Nobody they bring her, but now what reality I they talk. Una hear on the way say the woman not do anything. She una the hear now say, see what she do this woman. The woman not do anything. The woman, this one are people where don't call her for back before say, make she stop what she they do. She not hear. This one are friends where if I tell her before say, all these things where you they do, it not make sense. She not hear. You they get the point. So
Why give me? It's candy.
Yourself, no, money day body now. Why you to come back?
But I don't understand this TikTok. I don't feel easily just call person show like that. Una know they how not so they operate on a phone. I'll just send a person want to on the other.
So now you go still come and they drag the woman by papa, the woman do this one, the woman by papa, the woman they collect they collect father share for the children head when you and the husband they ask. Leave one now you don't collect his first man, the second one you want to collect them for you. Leave man. They don't leave the man for you.
No, my sister.
That innocent woman, you don't they drag that innocent woman. You don't allow the man go see the pikin, see the drag the woman, what do they drag the woman for? What you concern the woman? Now you collect person your husband, now you see the drag the woman. I don't understand road that problem.
Now he come and say, now you know what made the children go see their papa. You know they talk. He talking for my palo. I can't forget anything. Say nothing go make and go let the man. Even talking for a family show that year where we first drag each other.
They talk every time for our platform. No
so not be new thing. So wait till now they justify for this matter.
He still talking.
No, I never ever come out with a voice note. Wait, take go they say give the man. No. All those one do. The one way take all this woman, tell the woman say until he die, no go leave me there. I said the story long. You understand? May I just break this once about marriage, where they destroy come. I never go deeper. You understand? That she are alive, be I tell they sleep around. Now me fed day after now. Me way say me come and say I know hold something. Then even though you not come and say I no give you peace. You're the prepper. They say if I they beat you, they the prepper. That you're nobody come. You did the prepper. The woman next to before now come ask the woman you take. How you take and do common picking for the man? Whether the wife know now, nobody know. Because now if friends when they know this issue for it to say when the girl can't get belly for the third picking where he supposed born, he can't say the Angola man sleep with her, his husband sleep with her. They call the thing say who can't get the picking? Now she go remove the picking before I can go later born this third picking. And during the time when she born her 2 children, if you watch those 2 first children, they grow well before I later go born. No. When now that time we tell Siam when the boy where they the second child that is the first son, That one don't raise there like 4 to 5 years or so. He don't grow. But we got there why you know, but he say no, he no one born no. Now your husband don't fair born 3 children. He no go born join those 2 children. That means the matter they grant. Now he no quick born follow those children. Ah, you never confess finish. Okay, more go the 3rd one.
This not be papa twins, not be get I first daughter. Rather no. If
you hear her? Now me let me talk. Many people will get husband say make them go check na their husband now get the children. You hear her? The matter they weak everybody.
not be papa twins, not be get daughter. Rather no. If rather no say na papa twins get that for tell you and say may go breed DNA test. Not be.
If I don't hear some question, they shock me.
Are you weak?
I mean when what do that because I never play all those things. I go come with. Some women see they do this thing to their husband now. Some women see they do this thing for their marriage. Imagine you go carry pikin, you go come
this get inside car they ask you. Maybe she dey inside car they ask that day say how una take dey do one. Go na.
If this girl, I said we go palace. What did she do? She said she won't swear.
Take the do one. No be she dey
go mama. When we go palace, what did she talk with her man? Where everybody here? He say one swear. If they use the children swear, you know that. Oh, he go swear, he go wash and wish now. Not follow wish swear. Not follow any wish swear.
If they want to see and I face the cheat.
Not follow and swear. And they want you na they go wash am for your head though. Not follow and swear. Even the talk I go say no to make that swear come. Once you swear, go wash am for your head. We know how these people. We know how they operate now. You think about now saga everything now saga. Imagine. It's a shame. God forbid. This thing not be only how.
My prayer they work. Please, I'm not praying.
No, my in-law they coming. Only this for affiliation. Oh, yeah, continue. Still they talk about.
You just they disturb them for us.
No say na papa get that for tell am say may go breed DNA test come. No be get that first daughter. No be the man get that first daughter. That first daughter na Akpo and the one where they go they
Akpo, you hear me?
Sleep with you for part.
Akpo, they say na you. I post you now, you they write me say you don't like me, I post you. You must come tell us. If you want me to remove your picture, Akpo, you come join my show, make you tell everybody. Waiting for call where they call you for another man picking you. Akpo, wife, you they watch me now. Now be the man where I post this morning where your wife call me now.
You Joyous.
Come tell me what though.
In the color.
Akpo, they mention your name for Percy Pikin. Who gets and we don't know. You still mention another boy, mention your city. You they say make I delete your video.
That's what I put there for you.
This one of is saga, a true life story. Who want to join me?
There for you. Jesus.
You know they shock you. See, this thing not be always share. So women, if you they do this thing, if you know they go my way, they do this thing. Bring the issue, can't give me that this kind matter. I they like carrying. Only when I know keep your thoughts. If you don't want to get divorced and be free, not be when you there inside marriage, you want back the man. You don't know say if you are sleeping around, you they carry the man hands go back. You they carry the man hands go back. Now we see the reason why Christian Jabal life them is dribble, whether they bury them again and sought for NF. This Dominion one join. Eh? Now so life be.
They call her best mommy twins. Now they call her worst mommy twins. Worst. This one are the worst, not be the
mother
best.
Where they sleep around. That one are mother. That one are mother.
That one are best. That one are worst.
Let's continue.
Padova. All those are not big career bills. Akpo and the one where they go they sleep with you for Padova. All those are not big career. But say Papa twins na old man. You can't go force the pikin for am, because that one don't sleep with time. Don't force body for that one. Wait, take go rent for that one house or bring this seed.
My sleeper, my leg dey shake for ground. If I talk Canada, say then say, you know how many people come tell me this thing? I go tell them now make that they do it for voice notes. May not be saying, let me they talk.
They're doing this now. Daughters now. She just God. The future of our daughters now. Which man
because if you don't get me sure, you carry boy come person house, you force yourself enter the man. May you say get that picky because they reject her.
Then the daughters now they want marry. You call person like that. So said God forbid.
Even though this
family of Ashawo.
This is about giving another man child to another man, another someone's father. I don't know. I want to know the English. And they wake up. People get mind, and I go sit down say they talk to people marriage. I caused the day when my husband make me know you. I caused that day. I am more carrying back. No, hear that part way. If you see any woman where they do this nonsense, bring and come. Even though I is busy, I go sit down. If I they make it, I go they beat you. If you not want to stay off my house, better leave that man alone and face your life. They sleep around. Imagine Angola woman say you they sleep people husband. Now your friends when I got that grow, they say you they sleep with people husband. Your friends when I got that start life for Italy, say you they sleep with people husband. Even when I was single, I've never slept with someone's husband. Wow. Now fine, not fine. When I go sleep with person husband, not be say you know the old man go climb you when you did your early 16, 17. You no fear. And these people that say you come abroad, you put your sister for prison. You they follow one man to another, they use them work. They say they're many for Germany. Now you go come out they talk. Thank God say you know here, say, oh mommy, just stay around. Don't let you wait till the saga. Now so they not get peace for marriage. Now, but who not get peace, get body pass you, no shock. You not get peace, the friend. Even as I they die a trish, you not see say I not the shift. You see nucleus from my body. Who not get peace will be like this. Now you peace run for your life, you show. Anything I love to wear in life, anything. As my husband they work, they work. Mama, wait till you want talk. This thing you're they vex me. Now they do motivational talk.
Merci.
Wait till you want talk, Mama.
With question why they has nobody who answer. No be she they tell us. No be she they tell us that they say how they do and what they carry another person picking they give man. No be she they ask us that day. Say how they do one. She they cycle, they do video. Say how they do they carry another person picking they give another man. How they do one. So she get all this poto. You know, say me they talk and right from time. Just that they know they listen to me.
You tell me,
and they say lie.
Not be yours. Sorry. Not be yours. Get that picky. You always.
I always talk of that first daughter. Daughter. I never miss my word. I wrote I never summon me for that thing once.
No, you know, say I'm if I talk and come back for Facebook. Go bring a here. Whether I go close my mouth. As I felt talking, go bring a here. I make close my mouth. Remember.
The man use the mouth. The man, yes now. The man use the mouth. Tell me, say not be inside. He not be inside picking me. I know. I beat hands on my chest. Say it anywhere, any day. That first daughter not be Christian. He give up get her. Even the picky don't look like them. That picky, if you not carry go give papa. And they talk that picky, if you not carry go find the papa, you know get body. You know they strong. The picky not they okay. He get what you know. Say wait, she be small picky. She not get experience of life. She not get experience when she get
Mama will not tell us mine one thing.
She not get sense. She don't know what she they do. Yeah, see they talk at me at the pity her.
I too know that they worry.
I pity her. Like now, person born this one. Now, person trade this one. Now,
I just weak. I don't even know what to talk.
The other day they say now Jack be HIV.
Kai.
Mona, doctor, please, no Russian. Make them not go.
Oh God. Why I not go fight for my children? Why I not go stand with my 2 leg for my children? My knee go dey prayer. Why not?
And people wey be single mother when they use their pikin go marry their husband, e go dey talk say you carry another man take go marry. You wey come hide another man pikin dey force am for another man eduko. At least the one where we marry no say no be get that pikin abi. You know the man no know you dey force am say he must access say na pikin. It shall never be well with you. You see why your life dey miserable? You're already a miserable before.
Joyous, for me, e good as this thing happen to Christian. All these men wey una be ashawo. Una so God go dey give una the one wey be say una no fit wrong.
Everybody come and say now, Juju.
Wetin make una come marry? If una no fit stay with one woman, why una come marry? Eh? Why una come marry? This is disgusting now. Eh?
No be the man clear eye. Oh, now so all of them they talk. They say no be clear eye. Person where mama train in grave. Wait, Mommy Sheila, go down my other page. I'm a Born Nation blog. Screen record that video. Say give me for the new phone. I put that in Papa grave for I'm a Born Nation blog. Check and may you send and give me. Mommy Christiana, good evening. May you not see how they take chain in Papa grave. We'll continue. Thank you, Mama. But why she put the car key for head? now because he not believe say go drive car one day. You know even yes and a fake driving license. He not get genuine driving license. Where they go tell people for TikTok, Facebook. Man, I take them, Mommy John may show car key. We have car. So he said he go tell them say I don't get driving license. He goes in there. Baba, I don't suffer. Sorrow. You never write car before, no, na leave out. Now that kind mama buy papa for so.
The one where they go, they sleep with it for Padova. All those are not big career. But say Papa twins na old man.
Now two mention 1 day Parma, 1 day Padova plus Akbo 3. 3. I saw those 3 no accept. He can't go give it you. Okay.
You can't go.
Who is knocking the door? Who opened the door? Lock the door. Go and sleep.
Papa's gone now.
Eh?
Papa's gone.
Eh, let him come and knock the door. Go. Don't open doors like that. It's very dangerous. Please. Sorry, guys. Okay, Papa don't come now. Today, they say na another country license. Which one we go believe now? He show you. Welcome. He opened door. I come here. I say, who you open? We say, see you. Where did you see your father?
Why don't you see your father? Where's my son?
Have you picked everything you put in your room?
My son, what's up?
I'm alive, fool.
Where do you go?
Welcome.
Where do you go to?
I went to
Joyous, you know they are my nation blog.
English, Kinderlize everything. Sorry. I'm a banner. You know they there.
I went to
No, not they there.
I am gonna go discuss. Lock the door. They don't see their father. All right. Today they send another country license. Which one we go believe? Tell them I show you the German driving license now. We know they talk with make it debunk and say this is my DNA of my daughter. This is my HIV test. Then this is my German driving license. This is my B1. Now 40s.
For them, because that one don't sleep with her. Don't force body for that one. Wait, take go rent for that one house or bring this. He sleep with that one 2 times. I can't say that one get the picking. That one a mature person. I used to.
He sleep with Christian Jebo 2 times. Now he say now he get the picking. Hey, Aru make boy.
Juju and his mama will keep Papa use Juju take time. That innocent man die. The innocent man don't know what they do again. Can't say okay. Can't accept say okay. Now so it take now if I go Germany, go claim single mother for Germany. He spend up.
So you spend 2 years claim single mother. You go dey talk to single mother. Una will be single mother. When they collect children money, una will be single mother. I just say you know first do single mother. Make una ask for that good where they talk to single mother, so you feel collect single mother money for 2 years. So any woman where husband never come meet now, you call the dragon. Una the yes, so if you come there, your husband not there, others say you be single mother. Why you go be single mother? But you fair do one. Now so any people fair born 4 to 5 children. This girl they say una go just the bumbo every day. At the end, he carry belly for twins. He used it to take more than 3 times, make those children drop. Children not bring come up for belly. Now he born 5 children so. That time when your belly big, you know they tell people see belly.
We never even know
Any
now when
people dey your body. Once the thing there your body, you know can't talk again. If you still come on, you can't start again. If you see so, more than 3 times, pikin no gree come out. Oh, wait, you remember mama na? Now I tell about that we be no one born the twins again.
Kakabo.
Now you come outside.
They see to take we see they sell. Now don't be big of the
Tuwa. Oh, continue.
Almost 2 years for Jamie we go clear single mother before he paid this man. For the man kata. Because the first wife, now pikin give the map paper. When the map build the paper, they work that time. Be like say they work as a.
You hear the children when you say make this man not go see. Now he and their mama give the map paper. You be like I did now. My children give my husband paper. Then one okobo can carry the man. You go come they say make it come saga me as I just did. Except this media no anywhere where you go I follow you. You there, yes, so? Enough it happen. Hello. Hello. Yeah, I'm mute now. I will not put on speaker.
Christian, mommy agbon weru ya end day life you will last. I thank God for my life, oh. When I go dig, when I don't go see any nonsense. There, yes, when I go see now, Jesus, yeah. You have done it again, Jesus, yeah. In your special way, what couldn't possible, you make possible, Jesus, yeah. Now let that one you go see for me and my children. We don't live a wayward life. You see you, even Katia, or Ibo where you, the children godmother talk and say, that girl no good. You talk and say, Rhoda no good. Katia tell me, even write time for messenger then. He say, Clara no good. Nobody where they talk about Rhoda na agent of darkness. I don't want you, if not be saying I God punish you. I want you, I tell you, this person they come, oh. I dreamt and I told you, I said, this person they come. And you not go as come. You say, where the woman there? You not go fit. I say, I know so you be mumu. Me by myself. I know so you for this life. I know. Now me be your covering because I knows how to pray. I do on prayer 24 hours of the day. And God reveal it. Said this girl, she was sent from the spiritual world.
Mommy Sheila. Mama, wait. Mommy Sheila. This Brittany, help me bring out the photo fast. Brittany, where they comment. Where my people? Me collect photo. That Brittany, collect photo. Now you constantly they tell me say post your picking. Now you get that picking where say they replace another person picking. You constantly come my comment section, they comment her. When I'm through with you, man, I collect photo, give me. God go punish you, Brittany. That your daughter, if you want make
I get that picture.
You don't make your account private.
When they replace that your daughter, ouchie with now your house, they forgot the fuck.
It don't private the account.
They go give me photo now. Not be your NF where you did. Not be NF where you did. They go give me. Not be you. They mention name just now. The Brittany where they talk now. You get that picking. The picking where they post now. Ouchie woman where they cover heads get on. Now they did. You know when that Angola woman they talk. He mention Brittany something. Now this same person now you carry your pikin now one enter saga. Person carry your pikin they useless and for me they say that person carry pikin will not be my own. Then they call they represent another people children. The way they drag that pikin now you call the shots. You no get sense. Why not useless like this?
Road and a manipulator now. You dey blame anybody way for road a victim. Mommy Joy, you dey blame anybody
like that. You see my pikin, person no pick my pikin say want do it. Don't make carry pikin say they do.
My sister road that you about say the woman don't know. You about say as we dey talk and she go tell no, maybe no.
Brittany, they say at the city then I get because they said they'll send me the photo of that woman. And inside it of that woman there. No, na fine if they watch me, quick screenshot that woman. Inside the photo, the videos for TikTok, the woman there. How you gonna leave your pikin when they say they find trouble? If they can't drag down your pikin now, you go say the dragger. How you gonna leave your pikin? May they say they drag another person. You not get sense? If you want to do a saga, make carry children they post and take do saga. I don't know why some people jump up for nothing. And they say that the Britney house. Now they mention. Now the house that for the husband for beat and wake up police come. Now that woman said they carry and go Britney. I remember I mentioned her for that Dutch. Say Britney, you go there, you go do her for car, or you go guide.
Not being now.
I don't know. The Britney, the girl mama feed they watch me. Now you know concern me. They say now Britney be the girl mama name.
Mommy Joyous, my better friend. Wait. You know be say if they bear this nation.
No leave me now.
Come. No. Calm down, baby.
Mommy Joyous, I bet no verse.
That get where she dey post. So no be your husband pikin.
No.
Now
another person pikin say they find trouble.
Hey. And the person leave am, he carry the pikin, they find trouble. Hey, God, I beg.
If they carry person pikin find,
I don't tire for this road.
Now the person
I don't tire for this road.
Yeah. The pikin whether they find papa, he never use and do it.
You about say that pikin can't make hair. Maybe mama they find one make hair for and road and know how to make hair. I think make hair go me, I don't get for that because I already know say road and manipulate road and an evil person. I know say road and a bad person. Road cause problem for community.
Roda, you want use person pikin take cover your shame and disgrace. You carry person pikin they take cover your shame and disgrace, Roda.
That
hey.
That even with the way they get they smile. I tell her say
I swear.
Smile on your face. The girl is
I swear this girl fit cause problem for the whole Nigeria self. Everywhere fire go dey burn.
Now my papa, now my husband picking with this. The girl call look up, look the man.
The idiot can't go open wallet. The idiot can't open wallet. Make the pikin take money. I think you told me say they
be so dramatic.
People go under there. People go under there. Go they comment. Congratulations, you are really taking care of the girl. Hey, Mommy Joyous. Mommy Joyous, where your husband for know this kind of person carry come your house. This guy is a serpent.
Yes,
may your husband know this kind woman be carry come your house.
You unblock your profile. Yes, if you say it's not you.
That is what they are saying. If you know block and once they beat your pikin, you know be your client, you call they call me they beg me. Say as they call now, I bet drop my picture. You still say me send anybody this time?
You know hear the way Coco.
There now. Who say you say waiting? Precious, my love. What do you say?
See the way Coco take.
As later on blog on account, later on private. See now.
I say this girl.
I dey hear na network dey.
Mommy Joyous, abeg where your husband for this girl carry come your house because this kind person fit scatter Nigeria.
You say make you post the child.
She fit scatter Nigeria. God forbid this woman be.
Cry yo.
Okay. Now serpent he be serpent.
If like say me not come now. If
no let her enter your the mission for her head now to come. Her mission for her now to day after marriage home. Peaceful home. Any person wey get home.
Okay.
She's after it. No problem. Let's continue. I don't understand. Please joke about make I go change. Say one.
Oh my! I just weak here. Where are they now? I weak like dodo we so call you.
No, na promise. No,
I weak like dodo we so call you. God forbid.
Una don't see who they bring me go give bloggers for Facebook.
Yes, so na she.
Una in life now. Which one they tap us?
Chai. I go really.
No continue.
Me, I know say proof dey, proof Sarah, proof yakpa, proof plenty.
You una trust me now. Una know I tell they do my saga. No come they shout ogun. How you go carry your eye? You come they post my family for years. You say make I leave you. You say make I leave you. You know, as this year again, you still continue. You still continue this year. If it's your turn now, you they don't hate scatter. Anywhere
So Rhoda, your life. So Rhoda, your life dirty like this, and you don't believe Mommy Joyous. So Rhoda, your life dirty like this, and you don't really trouble. God forbid.
Now so I almost destroy my home. Oh, now once me tell her say I bet we know the quarrel, but I don't want to be friend with you. You know, see people they testify. We know they fight, but just they one on just they one your own, just they on your own. This one saying I say still to destroy home, which you call my home too, still they do. So make you see now say wait till day your body now you deport for my body. I want you severally. You pack my information, you go they give burgers for how many years? You go run come here, come they form innocent still. No, anybody where you touch your body, no cry. Money where they pay for lawyer, you don't go waste. You don't go waste. I work put. Oh yeah, listen.
The building of house, all those building of house for bring this. And the man can't build the paper now. They can't give a carta for bring this now. From there, now road that competence say make come meet them for they use juju and mama. And so it take carry and come Jamie. So when they stay with this man so for Jamie, so when not the let person hear word. Not be the man get that picking, not be the man get that now. Go and that boy go to sleep for part over now you get that. But wait there for Palmer. Now my girlfriend Jade, now they friend that man before me and Jade they sleep with that man for house. Jade, we they sleep with that man, we they sleep that man house. They spend 2 days for their papa twins house for bring this. That time because he has an apartment there for us here, like 4-bedroom apartment there for us here. For bring this close to water, close to small water side. A woman gonna know the place, the place where they talk now. This road that so.
You hear her? He said you go know small water side for Bridisi. Okay, maybe she not there.
So we go to sleep with this man. So the road that he got this woman marriage. When the woman do marry for Bridisi, that was 2014. 2014 now they talk so road that go that marriage.
You will be even that for her, bro. How you tell the waka all this kurukere waka? You just do a shower. You tell me say you friend one married man for Nigeria before you come out. You say basically you do a shower, then you still come abroad. In no reach period of 1 year. Who bring you come? You put her for prison. You begin to sleep with married men. They go. They do a shebi. Imagine that year when we only come abroad. We know they get this space. Now also I want to make money with the fine. They make our family proud. It reach your turn. You don't they go party. You don't they go ashebi. You don't they do this. You don't they sleep different men houses. Waiting. That's why for your toto.
Coroda no waiting they talk.
He said you know
waiting they talk. May allow that man. I use juju and made that man. He put the hand for chest. Said that man cannot come up for house. Go see all those children. It's very bad.
He talking for here too.
Because what people they do for this life, they wait for her for front. Come away go for road ahead there. If they wait for her. Person that road, that a very wicked person go they shout for a platform. A single mother better person. 6 months that old man so not the fuck cannot they sleep with him. Because old man self David the fear and David the son of the old man. Then make it
the man the sonora.
Sleep with all those they collect people husband they go they sleep with all those black boy they go they disturb people house they sleep now frustration they worry. Single mother better person that place that your husband has when they so how the name must say I do marriage will go first the old man go do for Nigeria.
I know that one.
If they fuck around they go you go to the pay and mama and the guy they fuck around they go.
He go that marriage still quick and fuck around. Even the visit to if I go 2 times he fuck he people wait if I fuck him before he still go fuck him. He use the man tell me some. Yeah. This one no be he talk him. Go rent hotel give us the go knock. And he don't already there with this same man.
that man, so that marriage when they talk, so now so they sleep around. So you know they happy for that marriage. Road that not they happy for that marriage where they so you know say now you know they happy now frustration. I say they come go the share single mother better person. May allow that man go to see all those children we fed born before. May God not punish the man joiner. As I said they are juju they not they walk away.
Una hear I think I don't play all this one finish. Some people play. How many people there here when we play that woman? Oh, wait, say take go sleep with your husband. That one a Dutch. Una hear I'm on talk. Before I do go meet my family, Jerry. Now they see life. This one I don't need to analyze, and it was clear enough. The only one when we analyze now the Dutch one, the woman say now shower be now so they sleep with people husband. The woman explained they sleep with the husband for car. How many people want me we replay that woman for Dutch? I don't know how many people there won't play him. I tell they sleep with the man husband for car. I tell they sleep with her for a friend house. I tell they sleep with her for feed. I tell go see your husband. They say me we replay him. Oh, me I quit start. We don't get time again. Okay, me I who go come translate? Mama, you try Nabi. Me I start for the second one.
My head don't fool. With the rest, if they not hear me, the rest. Make the rest. My head don't fool. I beg. May I pray for my children.
You know, still.
I tell you, my head don't come heavy. I make not they look social media stuff. My head full.
I better reply that one.
Everywhere.
Good translator. Okay. Who want join now? Good translator. I beg. Make it flow fast. Rapid pressure. Me I check. Mama head don't. All those men where they'll see good wife, they'll say no good. Now wait till they want.
Sister, wicked. You know, sister, I know they talk since. I don't weak.
But the year things what should they do? Where go they talk? They baffle me.
Weak.
Like seriously. Okay. No, now listening on the comments. Since nobody want translate, I'll be person there. Any fluent and Dutch translator there. Because now that one for see her pass. Mama head don't fool. Mama calm down. Now so life be. Now so we see am o. Who never passed through that process? And they say, oh God, when? Nobody wish to be a single mother before you go marry. No? Nobody wish. So anybody where they always drag most single mother, you don't know. You wait, don't burn fire for marriage. You don't know tomorrow what will happen.
Vicky Brown say may you play it. Okay. May you play him. Vicky Brown.
Hello. Yeah. Du bist Wazi?
Ich war in die Bus. Ja, wie gesagt, Frage. Aber bist du mit deinem Mann oder nicht?
Ja, mit meinem Mann auch. Mit vielen Mann. Diese Frau ist scheiße. Clara ist scheiße. Now the second one they play.
Nur Geld, aber mein Mann hat ihm Schuhe gegeben, Geld gegeben.
Ja.
Schlafen.
La. The husband, they give her money, they give her shoe. May they sleep with her. Okay.
Geld schläft mit jeder. Das ist aber arme Mann. Tut mir leid, dieser Mann so naiv. Dumm, sein Mann. Guck mal, der ist vor kurzem letztes Jahr verheiratet. Weil wir noch 4 Kinder oder 5 Kinder.
Ja.
Weil wir noch nur die andere Familie kaputt machen. Wenn es nicht klug.
They scatter people home. But on our way they hear me on a try here, so I won't just play. I don't fit translate.
Die will andere Familie kaputt machen. Warum?
That's the last scatter people home.
For Clara.
Remember they ask why.
Eine Tag, ich finde eine richtige Person, die schlägt, die braucht Schläger. Richtig schlägt. Für alle Frauen. Weil das ist ein Bitch ohne Ende.
Really? Warum diese Frau immer hat ein geschlafen mit einem verheirateten Mann? Varun.
I'm a kinder. Wenn ich recht nach Afrika, bin schon vorbei. Das dort oder Schlag.
Oh.
Ja. Oder Schlag.
Okay.
Er hat keine Angst für seine Kinder. Die Kinder sind in die Schule, die in der Nähe von meinem Haus. Ich sehe immer seine Kinder. Wieso macht das? Wenn ich schlechte Person oder böse, ich nehme seine Kinder. Deine Kinder, ich sehe immer. Manchmal auch mit Idioten, die man in der Auto. Und die anderen auch. Die bringen
He said they always destroy people.
Das ist auch eine Frau aus Nigeria. Der hat keinen Mann.
He get friend for Nigeria. That one not get man. But Varu, I had any man Zuhazi. Varu him had get slapped with other Frau man.
Keine Ahnung. Aber verlass nicht dein Mann, rede mit deinem Mann. Ja?
Ja.
Rede mit deinem Mann, setz dich, sag, das ist nicht Frau für dich. Ich schläft mit jeder.
Ja.
Ich schläft mit jeder. Der macht so viel TikTok oder Instagram.
I know, say I mute, I the record. I don't want to play everything now. No, now, maybe she join me, they talk a bit. Yeah?
Die Mann respektiert solche Leute.
Ja.
Solche Frau.
Ja.
Vielleicht hat schon angefangen, vorher gemacht in Nigeria.
Oh, yeah, mama, they talk a bit. I want mute. Me, I feel. Yeah.
Die Mann so tun.
Das ist scheiße. In Deutschland.
Ja.
In Afrika, die Mutter von dieser Frau mag so mit dann der Vater auch. Die Frau Mutter in Afrika ist so machen. Immer hat er geschlafen mit einem Mann, mit Frau. Das ist Katastrophe.
Das ist das Problem. Aber bitte nicht. Die verlassen nicht deinen Mann. Die wird nur dich und deinen Mann getrennt. Aber nein.
Ja.
Mit deinem Mann, Verzeih normal, sagt kein Kontakt mehr. Kein Kontakt mehr mit dieser Frau, auch mit Mann. Nichts. Aber die Mann, weißt du, hast du die Mann von Clara gesagt?
Komm mal auf das Ding. Ja. Ja.
Und was hat die Mann von Clara gesagt?
He said the man is not man. No, die Frau immer hat sie hat geschlafen mit einem Frau Mann, and yet the Frau and the man get what is the Frau and the man get trend. Clara man so mit einer African Frau. Yet the Frau and the man get trend. Keine Antwort, Clara sagt mit dem Mann, keine Sprache mit den Kindern, alles. Das ist scheiße. Immer Clara mag so mit viel Afrikanisch in Deutschland. No, love, Tari.
Aber das ist nicht gut.
You try.
Yeah.
This person,
That's how we do Bakara, not fish chat. Okay, kein Problem. Ich bin so nicht ein Termin jetzt. Wenn ich fertig ist, ich anrufe Sie bitte.
Okay.
Danke schön. Tschüss. Oh yeah, I don't finish you. The words are too strong to type. Okay, so now the food video don't dey here for who want use or whatever. So this one another one. I want come on so Saturday here, so I just play a moon here. You understand? So Mona come on. So Mona tell her, say make you leave people marriage alone. May you know they talk to people where be say they are faithful with their husband. Nobody forced.
she now will talk again. How she want to
Then she can't talk.
with all this disgrace, with all this shame.
Na
Even
Dutch,
me will
na
not
Dutch.
get case. I tire. Small time I take this medium, so I don't tire like this. I tire.
Because waiting they hear.
My sister, I tire. Not be these people where they do anyhow, where they feel like see the way I think they reason, they can't reason them now.
Now so life be.
Cover something like this.
Imagine. A married woman, another woman, they say you they sleep around. Is that not a?
If they curse your husband. Me, I know
Who say
better
whether
pass you
reporting?
1 million times.
Who say whether reporter to where?
Now
You
dubious
reporter. Who say whether you reporter? Where you want reporter? How? Now she they don't go police. They
I
report
report
people,
am
they
to
go.
Now she dey report me now. She report me, I go see answer, reply. Say, Mama, you report her. Now reply, they reply now.
It's a week everybody
know
now.
why
So
this
it
is pay me this way.
today now. Confirmation, I take the sleep around for a city and no. So we not come
You know why this
today.
thing weak me reach like this?
Mm.
And because of my children. Like, let's say the poto come they rob my enemy. If let's not
They
let
say
kiss
no
and
get
fine,
money
who
to
say
take
no carry me come out.
now government lawyer they find want to do case. Go borrow money. You want do case where you know see head city. Where you not be sent. You know if you go carry better lawyer, they carry government lawyer. Talk mama.
All these ones with me do see so to fight am with case now don't tire me. Because how she want to start? All these ones like how she want to start? Me will not get the matter.
She will go get my
off my enemy.
give
You
you
off my
gas. Go
enemy.
they help
Like
bloggers. She will get Papa is speed the go basis. She will get mad, might go join blog. Even they help bloggers, go they report me. He can they help people, bloggers where the other country go they report me. She think and twice. She not think and twice. Oh yeah, come. So now so me I do I get important call where I want receive. So now don't hear. I say every day now new ones they come. We never even work out. So if I still get time, I come. Why she not go reduce? The same way they do to people. I don't get Momo skin. Make she feel am. Now wait till me they do to her. She go feel am. He go see what it takes to bring person down, like to tarnish somebody.
the saga
I want
enter
make
her. The saga enter
she don't
her.
get body for saga. If I
When they
saga,
tell
I
her,
go
say,
dey
make
call
she
people
no
for
enter
backyard. That's
saga.
what they do. But you go fit gather 10 people. Only me go stage them. You go, they go there, they comment, they call them. They say, right down. How far now? Only me, I don't handle you now. I never, bloggers not join me, but you go fit carry 10 bloggers. Only me, they go, they saga me. The boy will not see video make buy. Where be Bobrisky of Twitter now, now you come to talk. Now me, you I face. You see, now, it tired, the boy go talk, go see, say, the person where they talk to say, no, they mind me. Now you me hope for neck. You hear so? You never start. Only you jagbe. Only you sleep with person husband. We call like confirm and talk. Only you collect your friend, boyfriend, which sugar daddy. Only you. Your total not they stay one place. Now you still they come out. Only you, your mama born 2 children. Before he can't even come meet your papa. And after I see me your papa, I still go born for another person. Only you. Now you they talk to people. Until now, your mama could not still the rest. You go court, sire. Evidence no go there until my spirit tell me, say, make I stop. If my mind say, make I leave you, now I go leave you. Make I tell you, be who you call. The more you they call my husband people, the more we they call your husband people too.
When she they do since
when you
she
they
no
do,
know say he go call anybody. Eh?
The more you call my husband people, the more we call our husband people say get HIV.
Now so.
They crazy. They look you since then, you say, I promise you, said this, I'll come for you. You don't know when you go to this side, they play. See, Anna, don't you ever see any issue marriage, may you destroy any person where you sleep with your husband, more than they call me. If I catch you again, your total no, they stay one place. You say that people husband, you want they stay, more than call me. Now, those kind of cases that they like carry. You give me proof, say, really do. Make I come flog this money and should be like leke.
What's that the essence of getting married? You know, if you stay with one man.
Because
what's
of
that
shoe,
the essence of getting married?
You go to sleep with man. And now you they say your dog husband. Well, they say the man I read, they show for your account, they don't believe me. The man wanted it, so red, they say account, they don't believe me. So because of shoe and money, you can sleep around.
But the shoe, she don't get shoe now.
Women are the manager of life. Anything we're hungry us will get and wear. If not food, we'll get and you go, they say my husband and me will they suffer for abroad. You go to give love and say, no get what it is.
Even the sleeping over, you don't get shoe like that. How many shoe? How many shoe road that get up here? They say that they say tell us say. No, no, wear Jesus Christ standards for this summer.
Road that no go see evil dice and guest, you know go see.
You understand? I dey tell that if they no bring Jesus Christ standards come out for this summer. Not be last time we dey talk. I say that Jesus Christ.
Last week, 2 weeks ago, now you talk this thing here twins. So
No be last 2 weeks. I say may not bring Jesus Christ Sanders come this summer. We don't need that. I never see Marker. True to God, say Marker. She dey laugh me say me I dey go temple, I dey go shine. My sister, one of my shoes, not be safe for mass.
You remember when I buy showing class, I come saying they buy Regina. I just the last say you when I know. 8 years, this girl never buy new jacket.
on Facebook, you can put two guests
for wears. You won't come challenge me for wears. You were the only Ashebi they invite you for party. That be the next way you get. Only the Ashebi where they invite you. Ashebi where they invite you. Now let them be the less way you get. They're not born you may you use 500,000 to bring load from Africa.
You get polo.
You can't challenge me. You don't cry for lace. You don't cry.
Mona forget
you
that
don't cry for Valentine. You don't cry for birthday. You don't cry for limousine. How many cry? You don't see where that girl they talk. You know what make her weak me? This girl don't know me. He tell the girl say I saw my enemy by papa. He tell the girl say my husband they pay me one time. If not be another person matter we won't kill you. With it concern my present marriage. Now your brother, not be Isha, not Bini. My present husband, right?
Your husband body dey here. He dey here.
That is why dey your eye again. You talk and you dey shy collect that one. You don't use that shy.
Know why the man dey pick for leg.
This one na your mind dey again. You know this I know they carry wetin you dey carry. As your husband tell reach where they still dey think am. I tell reach there. How? It dey irritate you now. Now you can't stay with her, they irritate you. My sister, you go finish her. You don't tattoo her for chest. You go finish her.
We no go agree.
Who you want give?
Let's do them part.
You don't eject her. You don't give her a shaggy. Who you want leave her?
Lala, we no go agree. We go riot.
Joy, stop.
What? You don't give her HIV now. You can't go there. You can't dump her. You can't tie her for his house. Can't go there do on top of her. They wake the man for bed, say get up, another one like that.
Who he want
Christian, you see your life?
Which woman?
Christian, you see your life?
Who want carry?
Christian, you see your life? I see you can't take for abroad. Christian, you see your life? You see your life? You see waiting wickedness, selfishness, self-center. You see waiting cost you. You see your life. I dey pity you.
I would dey demand too.
I dey pity you. Like we know why. You know why? Because my children.
Can you stop?
Go. I cry, oh. I don't lie now. This thing pay me, come out tears from my eye. I did here, I just bear down. Come out tears from my eye. Truth to God.
Why you call it?
You know what to make your twins they cry? Now say father of our children. Father of our children, they misbehave for social media.
Mona, stop now.
Father of our children.
It's
not easy now.
I beg, I no cry, I beg.
Not be the even me self, I don't even cry. Because not be the man she they cry for, say they carry the man. Now say this man so not the father of our children. Just imagine una the year una children papa name for social media. Say woman where can't replace you with you get HIV. Now stigma now. Now stigma. Very big stigma.
Lock the door.
Let them carry and go, mama.
Lock the door, Mona. Go. I don't want to see you. Lock the door and go.
God no go let our children get that stigma.
I no fit cry for anybody, mama. No. At a time.
No go understand.
I born for person. I not see any reason why that person new relationship go come dey.
Not be even that one small pikin for that matter.
And I can never drag that person to my own. You know the year am.
For that matter go dey cost you.
I can't drag the man
because of
the man. Go come dey drag me. Person the big pass. Don't be stupid.
Hi, see tears they come out from my eye. I just dey here weak. Father of my children. Ha. Truly, mama will come think say, where did I go wrong? Now bad thing say I say okay, make I marry this man. Even with all wetin they do, they go carry this woman on social media. They go saga her husband, saga children. When man sperm donor, na the man be. Imagine the thank God say ye twins grow up with children where You know say all that children, people go, they say, see and now their mama get HIV, or their mama get, do you understand?
You know they say whether I'll come tomorrow.
Do you understand? The pain. Make God, make we not carry name.
Please wait, baby father. This is a man that you once married. This woman carried twins, belle, take cross Mediterranean Sea. More than the year. He used the first bone of that man, cross Mediterranean Sea. If you not see picture where he felt a struggle. This is the day where his friend talk this story. We don't that friend where the guy that suffer. They say because of this man, he go cook. He go stay guiding with this man with belle. Make the man feel it. If the woman tell you suffer, where he follow that man suffer. At the end, you can't carry a shower of you.
Don't cry again, no. I tell you, they cry, but I tell you, don't cry again. Thank God for your life, mama.
If I hear say you and your new recent can't drag me now, don't feel
yes,
so.
I
know the drag you. You hear say I never want the trauma give you or your new relationship, and it not go fit happen. Your own go trauma give me. If it happen, what like to lie. Your family go they ask why you tell know me. If it happen,
no cry again.
You never hear say I mention your name. Say,
God don't they fight for you for a very long time.
I get boundaries.
God bless you, give Mama Twins present. Ah, God, I beg. I don't want to cry for live video, I beg.
And this same girl go call the lie for her head saying, so she the dragon. Now, why people they vex for her? It not be if the man be, I know go they call carry a shower for road, go they sleep with her. You able to, now you give her that space. The man himself, he not be her. Bad luck to where they give my restless mind, where they give my own jag with sickness everywhere. Sweetie, crock, everything full of. Una do